Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be the last part of the stereo replacement in the Ford Transit Connect. As you saw in the previous videos, we removed the old head unit. We then routed, depending on what part of the world you come from, a reverse parking camera all the way to the rear. So that's all in. We've done a test run of the stereo, kind of just hanging out with all, plugged in. But now, this time, we get to switch around, put the fascia back on. So as you can see, I've just made like this custom surround. I should have videoed that really, but I kind of just forgot. But what I've done was just got some ply, 7 inches by 4. It could have been probably a bit more symmetrical, but to be fair, I kind of like it a bit like that. Also, I could stain it. I thought I'd just put it all in and just have a little look at it and make sure I don't need to do any adjustments. I've held it in with just 2 screws. So if you want to remove it, you can just undo those 2 screws. But the head unit itself is just going to slot in. It's a really tight fit. So once those connectors are in the back of that, we should be all good again. It should be pretty tidy. Should be pretty stiff. Should I need a bit more help keep it into place, I might look to making a custom clip that kind of just holds it, but at this stage I don't think it's necessary. Anyway, let's get this back in. So we need to click in all those wires, hazards, windscreen, demister, the heated screen, and plug all those wires back into the head unit, and then we should be good to go. So number one, I need to just screw these 2 bits up here and then push this part down so it clicks, and then push it all in. Really, it should just click in quite easily. There she is, boys. She's in the reverse camera. Some tunes. I won't put any tunes on because I'll get done for copyright, but that's pretty much it. I've just got to decide now if I want to stain this like a mahogany colour, make it look a bit premium, or maybe colour code it with regards to whatever the colour choice I go for the rest of the van with all the wood that I'm going to be doing. I'll probably keep it quite light, but just needs a bit of something just to give it a bit more of a finish. Anyway, hope this little mini series of how to put one of these in has come in handy for some people, or giving you guys an idea of what you can do. Reason again I went for this shape is because, well, the ones actually for this size fascia, kind of like an oblong, bit of a strange size, the screen wasn't that big. You can get them just to slot straight in, but I wanted one that's a bit more square. And when I upgrade eventually to Apple CarPlay, that should go straight in with no problem. But anyway, that's a big old upgrade for now. And give us a like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.